while solving problems from differential equations. Next we are going to see the seventh problem. Here, seventh problem, I am writing statement also. Note this carefully, and there is one error in print, so that you have to write x plus y square. Here square given. Remove this square. This square is not necessary. X is correct. Now we can solve it. But here, once I told that when you read the question in this chapter, you have to get your plan. What are the methods? Like every chapter I am giving order, integration, methods of integration. If one method not possible, try for other method. Directly, which is available, you will not get striking. Okay, in time sometimes. So try one by one. Variable separable, impossible. X and Y cannot split. We cannot break. Failure. Homogeneous equation are not possible because powers are not same. Or else we cannot have y equal to vx because it is denominator. Homogeneous failure. What is next one? Non-homogeneous. Concept I told you. Problem not necessary. Anyway, non-homogeneous is not necessary. Constant is missing. Then what is finally? Linear differential equation. What is our linear differential? First case or else first model. If it is dy by dx, y must be separate. Function of x. P means p of x. RHS totally function of x. There cannot be y combination. This is called linear differential equation of first variety. Then what is second variety? Dx by dy. P, x is outside. This is function of y. RHS is function of y. Any one of them compulsory you have to solve. If this method is also failed, you cannot say failed because we have got 4 methods only. If they give any problem from this chapter, it has to get solution from 4 methods. That is the reason. Maximum chances for first method, variable separable, linear differential. Here dy by dx. But there is no this place y separately and x function RHS not there. You have to create. It is not in the numerator, hence it is failed. Compulsory you have to go for this. Now change the problem. Dx by dy is equal to, now it is clear. Once it is in the form of dx by dy, we need x supported by function of y. X is important. X alone important. Is here, therefore taken to left side. Dx by dy minus x, and everything is matching. Function of y, here constant. No problem. X is alone. RHS, function of y alone. Everything is matching. It is possible to solve. Compare with that general result. Here what is p? Minus 1. Q, y square. Integrating factor, e power integral, p dy, second variety, not p dx, e power minus 1 dy, e power minus 1, if over. Some problems they will ask only integrating factor also. Completed. Now we go for general solution. What is general solution formula? X into if is equal to integral q into if dy plus c. So x times e power minus y integral y square e power minus y dy plus c. There is e power x combination. Y square is algebraic by parts. In by parts algebraic exponential, I gave one method also. how to write answer. Only here minus extra, not a problem. Take minus outside. So minus of, what is our formula for x square e power x combination? E power x into, alternatively derivatives write down up to constant. But here minus is there, so I take minus outside. Not outside means from integration outside. After substitution, all that not necessary. Understood? That minus y equal to t, dy is minus dt, minus outside, e power t, t square, all understood. So I am writing e power minus y square minus 2y plus 2. Completed. Integration completed. By parts we don't do the integration here. Answer only. Cancel e power minus y. Therefore, x equal to minus of y square multiply, and there is a constant here. Once there is constant, when you divide with e power minus y, means cancel e power minus y, one place is there, here it will come. Okay. Check with ABCD. Either you take here or else. Now you see. X equal to first to second options ignore. Y equal to given. Third and fourth important. X equal to minus y square. He wrote minus 2y plus 2 minus c e power minus y. Next, minus y square minus 2y minus 2 c e power y is given. We are dividing with c e power minus y. Okay, c e power minus y must be there. So answer must be third. E power minus y also missing. So write down. I will give exact what they are giving ABCD. C or 7th. D. In fourth option minus write down. Here y will given a minus y right. Because you are dividing with e power minus y, it is same as like this. E power y LCM. E power y multiply, e power y multiply. Correct. Fourth option correct. That is checking. Before giving answer, I am checking. Correct. D is correct without minus. So we are right. So overall, what is here? Remove the square. Okay. Next. Eighth problem. See, dy by dx is equal to x plus y by x. This combination. It will come in this combination. See. Here, it is possible to solve even from homogeneous. Why? What is our condition to solve homogeneous? Numerator highest power, denominator highest power must be same. Same means order is 0. Once order is 0, problem is eligible to get homogeneous method. That is our first special property. It is possible. Other than that, what is another option we can have? Like this also. I am doing with linear. Will be best method. Linear also possible. Take this left side. Since it is dy by dx, therefore it must be function of x into y. RHS function of x, constant, no problem. Compare with first case. P value minus 1 by x. Q is 1. Integrating factor e power integral minus 1 by x dx e power. You must be ready for that. I will not write. Okay? You have to get e power minus 1 by x log x minus log x 4 minus 1 n log x formula bases are same, log cancel. Y into if, integral q into if dx. Finish. Y by x is equal to log x plus c. If they want to develop answers, simplifying we are doing. He is just there is condition. Condition given that y of 1 equal to 1. What is this meaning? This is called particular solution. We got general solution. Y is equal to x log x plus cx. That is our general solution. X is just cross multiplied only. Completed. But problem is here. Whenever x is 1, y value 1. That is meaning. As x tends to 1, y tends to 1. Limits. Okay. Limit x tends to 1, y will go to 1. Same only. Substitute here. Log 1 0. Y value 1. X value 1. C value 1. Substitute here. You will get a particular solution. Y is equal to x log x plus c value x. C value 1. Only x. X also I am taking out. He is not taking. Okay. X log x plus x. First option. This is all. Finally, what is our observation? He is giving particular solution problem, not only general solution. So, where I am doing for this case linear differential. If you solve from homogeneous, what is method? I will give that method also, so that the revision will be strong. You will get complete revision. How we can solve in homogeneous? What is in homogeneous? Our rule: substitute y equal to vx, dy by dx, v plus x dv by dx, LHS, v plus is equal to RHS, y value substitute, x cancel, 1 plus v cancel, x dv by dx equal to 1, separating variables. Now dv equal to dx by x, integrating both sides, integral 1 by x. Over. Completed. Answer is not complete. Why? We have to remove v. What is our v value? Y by x. Y by x is equal to that is what? Some problems can be done in more than 2 methods also. Choice must be, you can select which method is best and then where you can finish the solution is important. That is why it is also useful. Why this method I gave you, there is a reason. This problem can be given not for solution, theoretically. To solve this following differential equation, which of the following methods are available, eligible, useful? This all they will not do. They will give this option. Put y equal to vx, x equal to vy, x plus y equal to z. As we solve linear, but they give answer options in this way. That is why both I gave you reason. Conceptual also they can ask you. Now again 9th is for integrating factor alone. X into 2x square y minus ax cube dx is equal to 0. Is writing e power p dx. Find p value. Very direct problem. He is not asking any solution. You need not apply any method. No formula. No subject. Hint also given. E power p dx. Once it is e power p dx, what can be the problem shape? Structure. That structure must be compulsory. This is only possible. Otherwise you will not get IF. He is asking what is function here. Don't do any solution. Regroup the terms in this. dy by dx must be there. So take dx here. x1 minus x square dy by dx plus 2x square y minus ax cube 0. Correct. First step over. dy by dx present. What is second step? RHS must be only function of x. There cannot be y combination. Leave this. We have to depend here only. In this, which is the best option to take that side? We need only x terms, not y terms. This is only eligible. Take here ax cube. Okay. What is next? There should be y common. Here you see y common. What is in the bracket? 2x square minus 1 plus. What is next? We have left with this one as it is only. What is our next order? We want only dy by dx. Nobody is available. No term must be here. But we have extra. Divide with this. dy by dx plus 2x square minus 1 by x into 1 minus x square into y equal to, now complete step we have got. Exactly it is fit into linear differential equation of first case. This is our function p. Further no integration. You are just changing the duplicate form of the problem. Over. What is the answer? 2x square minus 1 by x into first option. He is asking only this p. That for that getting p only we are spending our time. Okay, that is the only problem. So some models in any chapter we have to arrange them. They can ask any unknown place. Sometimes suddenly they will ask you q. What is q here means RHS. ax cube. These are the problems. So finally in the exam you can select a problem from differential equations as a first level problem. First level meaning reading the writing scheme of dy by dx plus y 2 times e power 2x straight away. What is y? He is asking find y means answer, solution. Okay. Ready made. You will not touch anything. As it is ready made problem. Is in the form of dy by dx plus py equal to q. What is p here? 1 q twice e power 2x. if e power integral p dx. Complete. Now y into if is equal to q into e power if dx. I will write e power 2x, e power x, e power 3x. What is e power 3x integration? E power 3x by 3. Okay. They want only y value. Take this e power x there, therefore divide 2 e power 2x by 3 plus c e power minus x. A general solution. That is our answer. Okay. He is reversing the terms. First he is writing here, this is there Uttara writing, hence third option must be correct. Next important, 11th, geometry. Answers are related to coordinate geometry. Therefore, 11 dy by dx is equal to root 1 minus y square by. It determines a family of circles. He is only giving hint. Family of circles. What is meaning of family of circles? System of circles. Group of circles. Suppose you draw one circle, another circle, another circle, another circle. This is called one family of circles. Okay. In this diagram, what is name of this family? Centers are same. So called family of concentric circles. Okay. Suppose if I get like this, like this, like this, so many circles here and there. Okay, random, different. So okay, a group of circles. So what he is giving is that once there is a family of circles, ABCD you read. Center is given, radius is given, which is on x-axis or y-axis according to ABCD. So we can see here solution. After getting solution only, we can decide that what kind of family of circles we are getting. First, note down that the equation belongs to which of the following methods. Following methods means what are methods in hand? Variable separable, homogeneous, linear differential. Variable separable very understood. So separating variables. Y by root 1 minus y square dy. Integrating both sides. Y by root 1 minus y square is dx plus c. How to get the integral answer? What is method or how you can? We know 1 minus y square substitution derivative minus 2y. Its derivative is minus 2y. We are arranging minus 2 adjustment. Once constant adjustment can be done anywhere, hence no problem. Multiply, divide. This is in the form of f dash x by root f of x. Write down this also in the synopsis. If not, already it is there. If you know that, you have to apply only. Maximum try to apply formula only instead of doing method of integration. Hence, with this formula, what is the answer from integration? Here we have 2 root f of x. Not f dash by f. If root is not there, log of f of x. Root is there, 2 root f of x. With this formula, 1 by 2 cancel, minus root is equal to x plus c. Okay. Then squaring this 1 minus y square. Actually x plus root 1 minus y square is c, but this answer is not there. Actually answer is complete. As per differential equations, general solution is complete. But problem is here, he is asking, it represents family of circles. What will be the radius and therefore what will be center and radius and circles he is asking. Okay, so for that squaring 1 minus y square is equal to x plus c whole square. Or x plus c whole square only I will write. Take this there. X plus c whole square plus y square. 1. Compare with general circle equation. What is general form of circle? X minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square equal to r square. This is general circle. Why we call general circle? Center is a comma b. Radius is r. Compare with this. Now what is center of the circle? Center is equal to minus c comma 0. Radius is 1. Okay, that is why he is asking. answer, not only direct answer. Information to this answer we have arranged. So it represents family of circles having center set minus c 0 and radius is 1. 1 means a unit radius. 1 unit radius is 1. As per CET, this is complete. If I extend little bit mains level, now you see, I will give you one diagram for this. See here, center is minus c 0, where c is variable, radius is fixed. Assume that c value is 1, 2, 3, 4, so on going. I am assuming c positive, but minus c is there. Consider one circle first. Okay, this is minus 1, 0. Radius is 1 unit. If I take 2, then radius will be 1 unit and it becomes minus 2, 0. Therefore, circle is exactly passing through center of previous one. Hence, you will get like this. Size must be same. Don't think the smaller bigger. Okay, equal size. Similarly, if I draw another circle, that is also again continuously going like this. When I am taking equal length, equal length not necessary. 1 by 2 you can take, 1 by 3 you can take also. Variable, so many, family. As such, I am giving you 1, 2, 3, 4. Hence, what is our observation? We are getting all the circles whose centers are all on x-axis. Called x-axis is the diameter. Circles can be anywhere. You get here, here, so on, cutting. So, exact information in advanced and mains, how they will view, it represents a system of circles, centers lie on x-axis. Okay? System of circles, centers lie on x-axis. So called system of coaxial circles. Okay? Don't think I am giving you unnecessary out of syllabus, extra and time waste. Not that. System of coaxial. Coaxial. Axis. Axial line. You understand axial line in physics, right? Axial line. If you keep that combinations of 2, 3, 4, 5, so on, number of lengths, convex, concave lengths, having same line it will go, axial line is there. Coaxial line is same. X-axis is here. Same if I consider on y-axis, this is also called system of coaxial circles. A very important chapter. Very dangerous and very important chapter in circles. It is only for advanced, not even for mains. So don't worry that we are doing, because we have come to an answer here. Answer is finished. Information to this answer is one chapter. Okay. For that reason, I just want to give one idea. That is not very difficult or anything. Time waste. Already we have done sufficiently. Less than 2-3 minutes you can finish it. Because I gave all the formula for integration, so you can finish it. So that is what we need.